So let's move on to the next, the sum number 2. So here the second sum is what? From the data of 20 pairs of the observation on x and y, x mean is 199, y mean is 94. Here we have total of xi minus x mean the whole square equals to 1200, yi minus y mean the whole square equals to 300, and the product of this two, xi minus x mean, yi minus y mean equals to minus 250. So we'll see what exactly we have to find in the first one, that is the line of regression y on x. So we know that y on x is what? So for y on x we have two formulas, this one and this one. So as I told, you can apply the first one, either the second one also. In both the cases the answer will be same, but in the second exercise, for the ready-made value, will apply the second one, this formula. Okay, you can apply the first one also. Okay, so your changes will be what? In the first one, first you have to find the value of a, substitute the value, then you will get the answer. Here straight away substitute the value of x mean, y mean and byx to get the answer. So that's why I told, okay, for the first exercise apply this formula, and the second one this. Here also you can apply this one also, the answer remains same. Okay, no problem, but I will stick with this formula for this exercise. Okay, second, this one second. So y on x, so the formula is y minus y mean equals to byx, x minus x mean. Yes or no? Here we can see y minus y mean equal to byx, x minus x mean. So to find the line of regression y on x, so simply we required x mean, y mean, as it is there. We have x mean also, we have y mean also, and then we have to find byx also. Now to find byx, we know that to find byx there are 1 2 3 4 formulas, and even to find x and y also there are 4 formulas. So to find byx, clearly we can see that, okay, you can guess the formula also. Here we have xi minus x mean, yi minus y mean the whole square to find byx. So seeing this pattern, looking this pattern, clearly we can see that actually in this sum, second sum, to find byx, okay, as in the previous sum we had applied, okay, to find byx and bxy, actually there was a ready-made value of bxy and byx, but here actually by using the formula we have to find the answer. So guessing part is very simple, seeing the formula, seeing the given data, okay, just focus on the given data, xi minus x mean the whole square, this all things actually it is there in the second formula. Yes or no? Xi minus x mean the whole square, and this part is also the ready-made value. If you want to apply the first formula, so we required the individual values of xi minus xi, yi, this all things. Okay, so according to the given data, clearly we can see that we have to apply the second formula for y on x. So for x on y, here also the second formula will come. Okay, so we'll start with the first one, first part, as we have to find the line of regression y on x. So first we'll write the solution. Okay, as here we have the values here, 20 pairs means what? Actually it is a value of n equals to 20, x mean equals to 199, y mean equals to 94, total of xi minus x mean the whole square is 1200, total of yi minus y mean the whole square is 300, and the last one is what? Xi minus x mean into yi minus y mean is equals to minus 250. Okay, as here the first one, we have to find what? The line of regression y on x. Okay, so therefore actually we have to find the regression. The first one is what? We have to find the regression equation y on x. So the y on x formula is what? Y minus y mean equals to byx x minus x mean. Yes or no? So here we have y mean, that is 94, and x mean as 199. So simply we have to find byx. So without knowing the value of byx, we cannot find the regression equation y on x. So first we'll find byx. So as we know that according to the given condition, here we have to apply the second formula. Yes or no? This one. So the formula is what? For y on x, that is total of xi minus x mean into yi minus y mean, okay, upon total of xi minus x mean the whole square. Yes or no? So now simply substitute the value. The total of this part is what? Minus 250, and total of xi minus x mean the whole square is what? 1200. So 0 0 cut. Yes or no? So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are, and this will be 24. So here we have minus, so minus 5 by 24. So therefore we can say what? Byx, we got 5 upon 24. Okay, if you want you can divide this number, or else you can keep the value of byx as it is. Okay, okay, if you want you can divide also. Now remember, actually here we have to find the regression of equation y on x, this part, not bxy. Okay, so for this sum the marks actually it is for this part, not to find the value of byx. Remember this. Okay, so here if the marks it is for byx, so here you will find your answer in decimal. As for this sum, here the marks actually it is for the first part, that means the regression equation y on x. So you will get the marks for this section, not for byx. So here we can keep this byx in fraction also. So here we got the byx is what? Minus 5 by 24. You can divide this answer up to 4 decimal place. Okay, but remember the marks actually it is for this part, so we'll keep this byx in fraction only. So now cross this value, so this will be what? 24 into y, 24y, 24 into 94 equals to, bracket open with minus 5, so minus 5x minus minus plus 5 into 199. So therefore 24y minus, so when you will multiply this part, 94 into 24. Okay, so when you will multiply you will get the answer 2256. So 2256, multiply and check, you can check your answer. 5x will keep as it is, and when you will multiply this part, 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45, 49, okay, 47, so that 49 and then 9, so that will be what? 995. Understood? So the next part, here what I will do, 24y will keep as it is, minus 5x plus 995 will shift this minus 2256 on that side, so it will be plus. So therefore 24y equals to minus 5x. So when you will add this to number 2256 plus 995, okay, so you will get, as here plus plus is plus, so here will be 3251 is the answer. Okay, so this we got the regression equation y on x. Why it is y on x? Because on the left hand side y is there, and on the right hand side x and number it is there, so that's why it is y on x. Understood? So here we got the first part. So in the second part, what exactly we have to find? The regression equation x on y. So x on y formula is what? X on y formula is what? X minus x mean equals to bxy y minus y mean. Yes or no? So here we have x mean, y mean. So first we have to find bxy. So to find bxy, again we have to apply the second formula as per the given condition. So b x y is what? Total of xi minus x mean, yi minus y mean. Okay, total of yi minus y mean the whole square. Yes or no? So here the total of xi minus x mean, and this part actually it is minus 250 upon yi minus y mean the whole square is 300. 0 0 cancel, 5 5s are 5, 6 are, so answer is minus 5 by 6. As I told, the marks actually it is for this regression of equation x on y. Marks it is not for bxy, to find bxy. So we can keep, if the marks it is for bxy, we'll divide this answer. Understood? As the marks for this sum it is for to find the regression of equation x on y, we'll keep this answer in fraction only. So now we'll apply the formula. Okay, which one? The regression equation x on y. So the formula is what? X minus x mean equals to bxy y minus y mean. So therefore x minus x mean is what? 199. Yes or no? Here x mean is what? 199. bxy is what? Just now only we got bxy. So bxy is what? Minus 5 by 6. Y minus y mean. Y mean is what? 94. So cross this number. So this will be 6x minus 199 into 6. Bracket open with minus 5. So minus 5y minus minus plus 5 into 94. So therefore, okay, this will be 6x 199 into 6. It will be 1194 minus 5y keep as it is. 5 into 94 is 470. So therefore 6x equals to minus 5y plus 470. This will go that side. So plus 1194. So further this we can write as 6x equals to minus 5y. When you will add these two numbers, you will get 1664. So this we got the regression equation x on y, because x is there on the left hand side and y on number on the right hand side, so that's why it is x on y. So done with the second part also. Now simply we have to find the third one, that is coefficient of correlation. So therefore, as we know that coefficient of correlation means r. To find r, the formula is plus minus byx into bxy. So plus minus byx is what? Minus 5 upon 24. Bxy minus 5 upon 6. And here it is minus 5 upon 24. So minus 5 upon 6. So plus minus. So here minus into minus is plus. 5 5s, we know that 25. Okay. 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus. 24 6 are 6 4s are 24 12 144. So here clearly we can see that 25 square root is 5 and 144 square root is 12. Yes or no? And here when you will see, the value of r will be 5 by 12 plus 5 by 12. Yeah, minus 5 by 12 will come. Okay, when you will see byx value, it is minus, and bxy again it is in minus. So here actually the value of r will be minus 5 by 12, or you can divide this number to get your answer. Okay, so 5 by 12 will be a 0.41666, then goes on. Okay, so as the answer will be minus. So you can keep your answer in fraction or otherwise in decimal also, and sit with that, keep the answer in decimal only. Okay, so here we got the answer of r is minus 5 by 12, or else we can say 0.4166. Okay, and here in reason you can write what? Since both the values are negative, so r is negative. Understood? So in this way you will find your answer when you have the ready-made value. Okay, as now we saw the first one where already we had the value of byx and bxy, but in the second one, first we have to find the value of bxy and byx and bxy, then you have to substitute the value on the regression equation to get the equation part. Understood? Okay, and simply you have to guess. The challenging part is what? To guess the proper formula of byx which will come. Yes or no? So as here we saw, according to the condition, as for bxy and byx, there are 4 formulas. As per the condition of the second one, we got the idea that we have to apply the second one. Okay, so I hope so you all understood the second sum also. Now let's move on to the next one, the third one. As the third one of the exercise 3.2, okay, it is very important sum for 4 marks. As in 3.2 also, when you will see each and every sum, as out of 10 sum there are 7 to 8 sums are of 4 marks, proper 4 marks sum. Okay, so now remember this, as the type number 2, that means the exercise number 2, it is based on the ready-made values. Simply you have to guess the formula, apply the formula, substitute the value to get the required answer. Okay, so let's take one more example. example number 3. Okay. Okay, so now we'll take the third sum. As the pattern of the question, it is little different from the first and the second sum. As here you can see that we have for a certain bivariate data, there is one box, and remember this, actually the sum actually it is there in the exercise, same to same sum it is there in the exercise number 3.2, question number 7, and this one question number 7th, and I guess the fourth one from the exercise number 3.2. It is very important sum. Okay, now here clearly we can see the pattern is different. As here we have a box, it is written that x and y is given mean and Sg, and we know that Sg means the symbol. Yes or no? So here clearly we can see that from the table we can find our data. Mean means what? X bar. So x mean is what? 25. Y bar, that means y mean is 20. Standard deviation x is what? 4. So standard deviation x will write here, it is 4. Standard deviation of y is what? 3. Standard division of y is what? 3. So in this way, first look at the box. Okay, convert this box into symbolic form. As mean means what? X mean and y mean. Here we got standard deviation means this symbol. So standard deviation of x is 4 and the standard devision of y is 3. And here we have one more value, that is r equals to 0.5 also. And the first thing which we have to find, estimate y when x equals to 0. Estimate y means y we have to find, x is given. Y we have to find, x is given, it means y on x. Yes or no? Right? So that first you have to guess what exactly we have to find in the question. So first actually we have to find y on x. Yes or no? So regression equation y on x. So as we know that for y on x the formula will apply the second one, that is y minus y mean byx x minus x mean. As here we have x mean and y mean. Without knowing the value of byx, we cannot find our regression equation y on x. To find byx, as I told, there are 4 formulas: 1, 2, 3, 4. Even for x and y also there are 4 formulas: 1, 2, 3, and this is fourth one. Okay. In the second sum we saw, according to the condition, we saw that we had applied the second formula. So now we'll see in this sum which formula we have to apply for byx, either first, second, third, or this fourth one. Yes, as I told, when you have the value of r, standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, ready-made value of these three values are there. R, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Straight away we'll apply this formula to get the byx and bxy. Understood? So byx is what? R into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. So r is what? 0.5 into standard deviation of y is what? 3. Standard deviation of x is what? 4. Yes or no? Understood? Okay. So this will be what? 0.5 into 3. So 0.5 into 3 is what? 15. So answer will be 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 4. So when you will divide 1.4 divided by 4, so answer will be 0.375. So here we got byx as 0.375. Substitute the value here, 0.375. X mean is what? 25. Y mean is what? 20. So y minus 20 equals to 0.375 x minus 25 into 0.375. Okay, so when you will multiply, so you will get what? You will get 25 into 0. So 9 point, okay, 375. So the next part, what I will do, y minus 20 equals to 0.375x is minus 9.375. Okay, so we'll shift this minus 20 on that side, so this will be y equals to 0.375 x minus 9.375 plus 20. So therefore y equals to 0.375 x. So when you will subtract, minus plus will be minus 20 minus 9.375. Okay, so the answer will be what? 10.625. So here we got the regression equation y on x. Okay, but we have to find y when x is 10. So simply you have to replace the value of x by 10 to get the answer of y. As in the first sum only we saw how to find y. So whenever they say that you have to estimate y when x is given, that means it is y on x. So simply first you will find the regression equation y on x, that means this part. Then simply substitute the value of x and y in the equation to get the answer of other alphabet. Okay, so into 10 plus 10.625. So therefore y equals to, when you will multiply these two numbers, so you will get what? 3.75 plus 10.625. So the final answer will be what? Y equals to 14.375. Okay, so in this way you have to find the answer for a regression of equation y on x. And the next one is what? Estimate y when x is given, y is given. Estimate x when y is given. It means what? X on y. So first you will find the regression equation x on y, yes or no, using the formula x minus x mean equals to bxy, y minus y mean. So first you will find bxy using the formula, which one? The fourth one, r into standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, where you will get the value of bxy. Substitute all the three values, x mean, bxy and byx y mean. So you will get a regression equation x on y. Then put the value of y equal to 16 in the equation to get the final answer. I hope you can try the second part by yourself. Same as I did in the first one for the first part, y on x. The same thing you have to apply the concept for the second one. So here first you will find bxy using this formula. Substitute the value in the equation. You will get the regression equation x on y like this. Then you will put the value of y equals to 16 to get this answer. Understood? So here we got the value of y equal to 14.375 when x it was 10. Understood? Got the point? I hope you can try the second sum by yourself, as the same thing we did in the first sum also. Okay, please try the second part by yourself. Okay, when you will see the backside answer, I guess the backside answer, it is little different. Different means the backside answer actually it is wrong. Okay, textbook backside answer is wrong, I guess. Here the value of y, actually here it is, we got 14.375. backside answer it is something else. I think so. Okay, so please sit with that. For the third sum, the backside answer is wrong. Okay, so please try the second part by yourself. So what was the difference between the first, second and third sum? The pattern of the question. As clearly we can see that the pattern for the third one, it was different, okay, compared to the first and second. As here we have some box, okay, small box. Okay, first focus on the box, then you have to convert this box in a given data. Remember, this standard deviation symbol is this one. Mean means x bar and y bar. And as I told, when you have these three values, straight away you will apply this formula to find your byx and byx and bxy. Okay, and judgment for this will be what? When you have this all the values, ready-made values, then you will apply this formulas. Okay, I hope so you all understood the first sum, the second as well as the third sum also. So let's move on to the next one, that is question number 4. We'll take one more sum. We'll try one more sum. Okay, okay, so now we'll see the fourth one. Now this fourth sum, simply I will explain the question, exactly what you have to find and what is given in the question, and this sum you have to try by yourself. And the same question it is there in the exercise number 3.2, and the question number is fourth. Here also I took the fourth one. Okay, so remember this, the same sum actually is there in the exercise number 3.2, question number 4, and it is very important sum for a proper 4 marks sum. Okay, and this sum you have to try by yourself. Simply I will explain the data which is given and what exactly you have to find. So here's in solution part, when you will see clearly, we can see that x mean and y mean is there. So x mean is what? 10, and y mean is what? 90. Standard deviation means this symbol. So standard deviation of x will be what? 3, and standard deviation of y will be what? 12. Yes or no? Here we have one more value which is given, correlation coefficient between x and y. So correlation coefficient means what? Small r, that is 0.8. You have to obtain the two regression equation. So two regression equation means what? Y on x, x on y. So to find y on x, the regression equation is what? Y minus y mean. Yes or no? Byx, x minus x mean. And for x on y is what? X minus x mean, bxy, y minus y mean. This all things we had did in the previous sum. Okay, third sum, second sum, and even the first sum also. Now, so first you will find y on x and x on y. So to find y on x, we required y mean, x mean, it is there. Without knowing the value of byx, we cannot find the answer. And remember, to find byx, there are 4 formulas. 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. As I told, when you have r standard deviation x and standard deviation of y, you will apply this formula. As here we have r standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, so we'll apply the first one. Yes or no? So formula is what? R into standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. For bxy is what? R into standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. It is very simple to remember this formula. Okay, yx, so y on x, xy, so x on y. So x will be in the numerator, y will be in the denominator. For y on x, y will be in the numerator and x will be in the denominator. Okay, so first you will find byx by using this formula. Substitute all the three values to get the regression equation y on x. Here also substitute all the three values to get the regression equation of x on y. Okay, I hope you all understood till here how to obtain the two regression equation. Okay, now for the second part, it is given what is the likely sales. Yes, sales actually it is what? Y. When advertising is what? X is 20, sorry, it is 15 lakh, not 25, 15 lakh. So actually what is likely sales means what? We have to find Y. When the budget is 15 lakh, that means advertising was X. So here clearly we can see that the value of X is 15. From this we can see that actually we have to find Y on X. Already we have the value of regression of equation y on x. Simply you will replace the value of x by 15 to get the value of y. So in this equation you will substitute the value of 15 here to get the answer. Now we'll move on to the third one. What should be the advertising budget? Advertising means what? It is x. When the sales is 120, so that means we have to find x when y is 120. So from this we can clearly say that we have to find x on y, and here we have the equation of x on y. Simply substitute the value of y equals to 120 to get the required answer of x. I hope you can try this fourth sum also by yourself. It is very simple. The change is what? The pattern of the question. As a pattern of the question, it is in statement sum. When you see the third sum as we did just now, this one and the fourth one, actually it is one and the same. First we had applied byx formula to get the answer, then regression of equation, then after that we substitute the value of x to get the value of y. Same thing. First you will find the two regression of equation. You will take the first one, you will put the value of x equals to 15 to get the value of y. Then second regression equation, you will replace the value of 120 to get the value of x. Same, just the difference is what? The pattern of the question. Okay, here it is in statement sum. Here it was given directly y when x is given, x when y is given. Understood? Here it was in statement sum. When you will read this statement sum, when you will convert this into a symbolic form, okay, so here clearly we can see that we have to find y when x is 15, and here clearly you can see that you have to find x when y is 120. I hope so you all understood the sum, that is a type number 2. That means type number 2, as we had considered the type number 2 for the exercise number 3.2. okay, as in the exercise number 3.2 there are hardly 8 to 10 sums, and I took 3 to 4 example, and 3 to 4 example actually it is enough to understand the exercise number 3.2. as I hope you all understood the first exercise also and even the second exercise also, and in the next lecture we're gonna see the last exercise of this chapter, exercise number 3.3, okay, of this chapter number 3, that is linear regression. Till then, goodbye. See you in next lecture, next video.